Hey, I'm Matthias with Toast. I'm here with our trusty mascot, Justin Bieber. He is all suited up to be safe and in my presence. You're here for another unboxing. We have fresh off the press, right off the FedEx truck, the brand new Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And we're gonna open this up, take a look, see what we got in store for us. It is huge. Coming from a small phone guy, this thing is ginormous. Wow, that's a serious camera bump on this guy. Really square edges on this thing, and that massive camera bump, that really kind of stands out to me. It sticks out probably like a third of the thickness of the body of the phone itself. Big screen, lots of glass. Let's fire this thing up and see what happens. So it looks like we got a lot of the detailing from the previous Note in here. We got our wrapping screen here. We have our pretty thin bezels. Got our USB-C on the bottom and our stylus pen here. Tele-zoom lens on it. Feels big, but hey, that's a Note, right? They've always been big. Pocketable? Ooh, good question. It fits. Wouldn't want to put it in my back pocket though. But this thing's supposed to be quite a machine. 5G, gaming capable processors, quite a device. So yeah, big challenges here. We got some really sharp bends, but nothing we haven't tackled before. Figure out how we want to really address this old camera area while giving us access to all the ports and stuff. Oop, camera's on. Looking back at you. So yeah, this thing's, wow, that's a good looking screen. Look at you. So that's pretty awesome looking screen. And that's just the front camera. Amazing. Anyway, so we're gonna take a look at this bad boy, get in back into the shop, hit it with our lasers, see what we can do, and we will get a toast cover on this ASAP. So that's it. That's the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I'm Matthias. This is Toast. And if you're enjoying these unboxing videos, don't forget to like this and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you with this thing fully toasted.